Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. To start, first open the PayPal application or visit paypal.com in your web browser. Here, make sure you're logged in with your account. Now click on the option that says Link a Bank. Now search for Payoneer to connect it with your PayPal account. After linking your Payoneer account, you can add funds to your PayPal account. Go to Wallet on your PayPal account. Then, click on Add Money. Choose the linked Payoneer account as the source for adding funds. Enter the amount you want to add. Note that fees may be associated with these transactions, and exchange rates may apply, impacting the final amount you receive. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, consider contacting the customer support of both Payoneer and PayPal for assistance. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.